everybody, it's me again from Blue Sage. I'm having a crisis. You know, look at my hair. You guys don't see me looking like this. It's straight for one. That's crazy. What do you do when your hair looks like this and you're like, I gotta go? You know what you do? Bam! This is what you do. You wrap it. This is a nice wrap. I ordered this from a site called The Wrap Life, and they have all different types of like designs, and it's really big, so you can do different tricks with it. I'm gonna show you how to do the top knot turban wrap, quick and easy. I like to add a little bun to the back of my head because I have a flat head in the back, and if I don't do this little trick in the back, it'll slide up. So what you'll do, you'll need the wrap, you'll need this little scrunchie, and if you need to, some people have like nice occipital bones and they don't need this little trick, but I don't. So this is what I have to do. So what you do is find the tag, because you don't want that to show. Wrap it around your lovely nugget that you created, like that. Make sure that tag is tucked in. So now you're gonna tug tight. And I have a little OCD, so I don't like when the inside of the wrap shows. I don't like when my ears are tucked in, so I tuck my ears out. If my ears out on both sides, like so. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie this in a knot, like this. Still keeping that tension on that knot, on that scarf, tied in a knot, like so. All right. So now once we have our knot, boom, we have our knot. Make sure it doesn't suffocate your head, because that will hurt. Again, making sure that the inside is not showing, because that looks just weird. Inside's not showing, and I kind of intertwine them together just so that it's not so difficult to wrap it. So then what we do, once we have it like this, is we twist, we twist, we twist, we wrap and tuck any little pieces sticking out. And you're twisting still, you're twisting. You might need to blink real hard just to get your eyebrows out of the facelift form like I just had to do. And then once you finish, you'll have a nice little top knot. Oh, okay. You'll have a nice little top knot. And sometimes it'll stay just like this, but because of course, you guys know I always do the most. I like being here doing this. I want to secure it with the scrunchie. Bam, that took like less than 5 minutes. Then you could go get the kids, you can go on a date, got your earrings, put some lipstick on, put your eyebrows on, and boom, pow, pow, pow. We're posing. We're like so Afrocentric. Get a turban. That's the best thing. And then this is what you do in the meantime, taking your protective styles out when you're trying to come in and get your treatments. Come in like this, and we already know what's going on, and we're gonna help you out. Then you don't have to wear this. I'm gonna get my hair shampooed by Shantae in a few minutes. That's why I look like this today. See you next month with your turban.